At Ouyee, we provide complete custom display solutions, from design to delivery. We first understand your brand, store size, preferred style, functional needs, and material preferences. 1. Design. We create a 3D store design based on your requirements. Initial proposal, 3 to 5 working days. The full design process usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. A design fee is arranged based on your store size. 2. Quotation. After the design is confirmed, we provide a detailed quotation. 3. Technical drawings. Our engineers prepare technical drawings to confirm the structure and details before production. 4. Production. Production usually takes 30 to 45 days, depending on the different project size. 5. Packaging. Products are protected with foam boards and protective film inside, then packed in strong wooden crates for safe shipping. 6. Shipping. Sea shipping usually takes 30 to 45 days, depending on the destination. Installation support. All products are pre-assembled in our factory with reserved connections. Local installation is simple, and our after-sales team is always ready to help. From design to delivery, the whole process usually takes around 3 months. Ouyee, your reliable partner for customized retail display solutions.